Okay, so this is Laurel at the tippy top of the bell tower. So yeah, there's a mysterious door, light switch. I think that's the switch for that light. There's the bell that we hear whenever the bells ring for church, which is normally on Sundays or in the mornings or Wednesday afternoons whenever they have mass during the week. The door doesn't work. It must be another supply room for electric stuff. Yeah, but there's a lot of pretty crazy stuff up here. Mainly just electric. And a water bottle. You can't really see it. This is the hole from whence I came. Woo! All the way down. I couldn't do a video climbing up because I needed both hands to use the ladder. But I'll probably make another one on the middle layer just to see what it looks like, and then in the balcony of the church. So, see you when I get down there.